Number of pensioners are more than number of employees. So, நான் அதான் அடிக்கடி ஓஎஸ் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல சொல்லுவேன், நம்ம சர்வீஸ்ல சேர்ந்தோம்னா என்னைக்கு நம்ம சர்வீஸ்ல சேர்றோமோ அன்னைக்கு நம்ம டேட் ஆஃப் ஃபுட்
எஸ்சிஎஸ்டில இருக்கவங்க இருந்தா யூனியன் வந்து அவங்களுக்கு பாரபட்சம் வந்து நல்லா தெரியும். ரொம்ப வருஷம் இருந்துட்டு அதை வந்து
Raised by the person of G.B. Jadhav, President of All India Pensioner Association, under Dr. 𝙵𝙴𝙽𝙀𝙀, All India Secretary, Sri G. Venkataraman, Board of Directors of LIC South Zone, Chennai, attended as a special guest, inaugurated the association. Resolution 1. The LIC should automatically match dearness allowance with basic pension whenever it reaches 50% of the basic pension. இந்த இது பண்ணா மட்டும்தான் நம்மளுடைய பென்ஷன் உயர்றதுக்கான வாய்ப்பு இருக்குது. இதை பண்ணலன்னா ஒரு டிஏ மட்டும் தான் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும், பென்ஷன் பேசிக் பென்ஷன் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும். Extension of wage revision to pensioner. Whenever granted wage revision for service employees should be extended to all pensioners, recognizing their contribution to the organization. இன்னாரு சொன்னா இன்றைக்கு அசிஸ்டண்டா வேலை செய்யறவங்க ஒரு 5-6 வேஜ் ரிவிஷனை பார்த்துட்டு ரிட்டையர் ஆனாங்கன்னா இன்னைக்கு கரண்ட் இருக்கிற ஈடியோட பென்ஷனோட அதிகமாக வாங்குவாங்க. இது என்ன?
तथागत भगवान गौतम बुद्ध, रामा पेरियार स्वामी, महात्मा ज्योतिबा फुले, राजर्षि शाहू महाराज, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज, सावित्रीबाई फुले, रमाई, विश्वभूषण, भारत रत्न परम पूज्य डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर. Friends, after a long time, we are meeting here. I proudly say that this is the inauguration program of the Pensioner Association is going to be conducted in Chennai. Simultaneously, the program is there in the Nagpur. This is a very important, precious year. And my brotherly place, my sisterly place. The important thing that Anbu Selvam is a dynamic person, money is there, and the person sitting in front of my youngsters. You are a youngsters? Why I am using the particular word? Very basic thing is there. I would like to quote a statement at here, Beti Freedom, a lady, what she said, aging is not lost of youth. Aging is not lost of youth, but a new stage of opportunity and strength. You are the people only. We are making the dharna in front of the management. You are the people only struggling and fighting for the Dalitas, and you are the persons are agitating to the programs against the management as well as against the persons those are against our community, friends. What I was finding before when I was attended the meeting in the Chennai, everybody was having the powerful energetic strength. But I can say, friends, you are a well-experienced person. You are the persons who can lead not only to the LIC of India, but you can lead to the entire country because you are the only person going to make the correct to the government of India also, my dear friends. We have to change the system. We have to change the system because why I am telling, because I am going across the entire things right now. You may be aware of this. After my retirement, friends, I have started my advocacy in the High Court of Mumbai. I am practicing as an advocate in the Mumbai High Court. Several cases are there, friends. Most probably I am finding the cases are from the poor community, poor peoples. It is very essential to inform you that while my retirement, friend, at the time of quarterly meeting, the management were asked me, I personally told them at the time of the quarterly meeting only, in the month of June. 6th June, I was remembered to 6th June 2023. I told specifically to management, sir, we are not going to continue with this particular association because after the retirement, there is no provision in our association to continue as an office bearer. Finishing my particular quarterly meeting, you will not believe, it is I proudly say that how the management is going to be respect us. being a leader, being a follower of the 𝙵𝙴𝙺𝚾𝙺, my dear. They were given a standing ovation in the quarterly meeting. That is my great achievement in my life, my dear friends. How we are going to maintain the relationship with the management, my dear friends. At the time of retirement, myself, Jadhav is already retired before me. He also managed very nicely the association. And myself, nearly 5 years we were there in the period of Corona. 2 years were there, friends. Under that circumstance, the 𝙸𝙴𝙺𝚂𝙸𝙾𝙽 Employees Welfare Association, being a general secretary, we successfully brought the orders from the Charity Commission from 2006 onward to the 2018. Nearly 6 orders we have taken out, and that therefore our associations were legal. Now the question arises, dear friend, what is the further things? I am not interested in that, but I am attached with that. My interest was there that these particular associations will be affiliated to the Pensioner Association. But some of the people were not agreed for it, friends. They were worrying about it. Again the Jadhav will come, again the Anbu will come, again the Vag will come, and again they will be office bearers of this association. But there is no provision in our constitution to the retired employees. That is the itself we know about it because we run the association systematically, sincerely. Now, why this particular association, the Pensioner Employees of Life Insurance Scheduled Caste Scheduled Tribes Welfare Association required to be formed? There was a question, friends. After my retirement, many of the people were asked the question, Doctor Sir, you are already retired now. Now we need some association which can protect the rights of the pensioners. We are unable to understand what exactly is there because wherever the associations or any unions program are going to take place, our retired employees are not going to be called, they are almost ignored. They are isolated from this particular community, what I feel right now. And therefore, we discussed the matter with Mr. G.P. Jadhav. It is essential to form the association. G.P. Jadhav said, yes, we will definitely form the association. To form the association, to register the association is not a simple task, my dear friends. Not a simple task. Being an advocate, I personally pleaded the matter in front of the Charity Commission nearly 3 times. They were objected for taking the name of the Life Insurance Corporation. It is not allowed. They were objected for not to mention the Buddhist. They were objected that this particular association is going to be made that should not be against the government of India. And now how we can form the association, I personally pleaded the matter, and finally we came to the title that a pensioner employees of Life Insurance Corporation. Life insurance, we could not put the word corporation. Life Insurance Scheduled Caste Scheduled Tribes Employees Welfare Association. We could not put a word Buddhist also. We are not in the position, they are not allowing to put any religious word, therefore our association's name like this, my dear friends. Now forming the association is a very easy, but to run the association is a very difficult task. Under such circumstances, after the seed to be planted, now we have planted a seed. Now it becomes, it will grow into the tree, and tree afterward it will bear the fruits, and friend, everybody enjoy the fruits. It has been observed that many people will basically, where are there, what they are doing. When I call to the people, now today you all are together sitting in front of me because of this pension association. It is one of the platform for you to get associated, my dear friends. This is a very important thing. Active. You are the only youngsters. We are fighting against the management. Now basically the idea behind it, in the All India 𝙸𝙴𝙺𝚂𝙸𝙾𝙽 Employees Welfare Association, which was formed, it is having limited restrictions. It is having limited restriction. What powers they are using? We were written up letters to the management, against the management to the government of India. Now the same situation is arising here. The pension association, what will be the role of the pension association, my dear friend? People tried to form this association. Many people tried to register this association, but basically it has been observed registration is not so far easy part, because at the time of the All India Welfare Association previously, they were registered their association in the year of 1974, but they got registration in 1981. This is an association what we have formed because I personally discussed with the Charity Commission, pleaded the matter, and within a 6 months we registered our association, and that registration certificate is with me. This is the registration certificate which we have received from under the Society Act. This is the proof. This is the registration. Therefore, this is the legal association what we can say. Not only this, Our registration number is the Greater Mumbai 100/2024. Not only this, we also registered the same association under the Charity Commission, that is a Public Trust Act, Mumbai Public Trust Act. Same association. Another number is there. The number is F0083998 GBR. This is another. This is given on 22nd April 2024. We have received another certificate from the charity for the same association, and this is received us on 29th day of January 2024, the first society act. Nobody can challenge your association. This association is legally formed. After forming this particular association, it is a very important thing. Many people ask me the question, why this particular association is going to be formed when there is a welfare association is there. I remember any time. Only I was the general secretary on that time. I have received one case of the retired employees of the vigilance case. That was I taken up with the management. I solved the problem. Thereafter, nobody is asking. I have received the calls from the various peoples, many people. They were saying that, sir, they are conducting the program, but they are not inviting you, they are not asking to us what is to be different. They are totally isolated. You are the retired persons getting a good pension. You are enjoying the fruits of the lives of India. We are very lucky people, friend. I am being an advocate in the High Court of Mumbai. I proudly say that I was a senior branch manager of the Life Insurance Corporation of India. I am getting the pension in time to time. But why? How? Some check-up, there must be some restriction over the management. They should not be empowered on us. They should not take the undue influence against us. They should not dominate their will against us, because we are belonging to the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe. You are well aware, my dear friends, many of the trade unions have formed for the pensioner unions. But you are well aware that we are the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and Buddhist people were the only members of the All India SC Welfare Association. Therefore, we are not having any platform where we supposed to be go. Now, here in particular this case, I have also learned from the Eastern Zone, from Eastern Zone, they are forming a group, WhatsApp group. They are not having the pensioner association. They form the pensioner group, and to get enrolled in that particular group, they are charging 1,800 rupees. In Eastern Zone, charging 1,800 rupees. In our South Zone also maybe the group is there. I asked Mr. Algappan what to do about it. Algappan said, Rajendra, there is a pensioner group is there. Now see, group and association, lot of differences there. My dear friend, this is an association, a legal association. I would like to specifically mention, when we are doing something, we are doing with a legal manner, and our restriction, there is no restriction for the LIC of India only. We will not work only within a framework of the Life Insurance Corporation of India. We will work behind that. Now we can swim into the sea. We can fly up to the Himalaya, my dear friends. Now we are having the vision, because you all are the experienced persons. You are a strengthened persons, and therefore you can utilize your brain, your strength for the purpose of community, my dear friends. I am talking about community in the sense not only about the Life Insurance Corporation of India. Whatever our issues are there, that is going to sort out by the pensioner association. But apart from this, there is a big goal of the association that I will explain to you, my dear friends. Essential aspect. It is an essential aspect. Each and every person must be networked together, must be communicated together, must be come together, and we must make one of the chain which cannot be break, my dear friends, because you are the only people of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's thoughts. It is also one of the things. What I would like to specifically mention, when I formed this association, many people criticized to us. Their role itself is there. After retirement, friends, they don't have any work. To look after their grandchildren, to take care of her mother may not be their wife. Under such circumstances, if the person who is not in a position to help our association, who is not in a position to make support to our association, they should not criticize our association, because this association is not made for only for the LIC of India. This is made for the entire community of the ST, which is going to be suffer. I would like to specifically mention here in this particular case. Now today's the situation where we were joined, nearly 1,25,000 employees were there in the corporation. But do you aware of this? The real fact is that the LIC is required only 35,000 employees. Only 35,000 employees, my dear friends. Now, at present, there about 94,000 employees are there. Out of that, nearly 45,000 employees are going to be retired by 2027. Now you tell me the existing employee, when I ask the question, I find out about a pensioner, whether a pensioner can be treated as an employee or not. It is clearly said in the OAM of the Government of India, the pensioner is not an employee, existing employee. They are not existing employee, but I can say when the pensioner who devoted themselves, they deserve for the corporation. Who brought the corporation up? We only. We only. Now the people are enjoying the fruits. Now, my dear friends, I would like to tell you later on the situation will be like this. Many of the existing employees are going to be retired within 2027. Now the association membership from the SC/ST, it is going to be reduced. Now the all retired employees will come together and they will form the nice group, I cannot say the group, a nice powers, a strength which can help to our community, my dear friends. That whatever number of the SC/STs will be there, we ask the particular data from the management. See, why I am coming to the point, I will come to the basic point, what is our goal actually. Nearly 543 MPs are there in the Lok Sabha. Out of that, my dear friend, 84 are scheduled caste and 47 are ST. Now, under such circumstances, whether we are getting the justice, what is happening in the government policies there, friends? You are aware of that, friends. I wrote one letter to the Prime Minister of India against the subclassification of the caste. We wrote letter against them applying the creamy layer policy order to the Prime Minister of India. That letter is with me. I would like to show it to you, friends. This is a letter I wrote on 16th August 2024. This is written to the Prime Minister of India, and this letter actually CC I made to President of India, Chairman and Member of National Commission of ST, Honorable Chairman and Members of the National Commission ST, Honorable Chairperson and Members of the Parliamentary Committee on the Welfare of SC/ST. I specifically mention how it is going to be dangerous to our community, how it is going to be deprive the rights of the SC/ST peoples. I specifically mentioned. I have received a reply from the Parliament also. I have received a reply from the PMO office also. PMO office, Prime Minister office, they said that, sir, a call I have received, they said that we have forwarded a reply to you. I hope that you may be satisfied with that. I said nothing, because I am not at all satisfied. The reason is because whatever question is arising, the reply is not given as per to concerned subject matter. You must be aware of the things, my dear friend. The Prime Minister letter has been given in such a manner, a format is there, you cannot apply in the RTI. You cannot ask for the justice and you cannot talk about any justice. Number 3, dear friend, you cannot suggest anything. You cannot write against the Government of India. Then what for the Government of India? Then why they are asking for the particular letters, my dear friend? Then why there is a PMO cell? Then he asked the question to me, how many marks you are going to give to the particular reply? I said 0 marks. How it is 0? At least given nothing. 0 marks will be given and you have to give me the proper reply. Therefore, he said, we will forward your letter to the higher authority and we will get the satisfied to you. We will try to satisfy you. This is one of the aspects of a government system which is going to be hampered to our people. Now you all are retired peoples. You are getting the good pension. Your pension is not going to stop because somebody said that I may be the member or may not be member of the association, but I am going to enjoy the fruits because you are doing the work, we will get the benefits. In this particular things, friends, we are the people must assemble together. We are the people must communicate with each other. Therefore, our programs which have been made are very different. Basically, I would like to tell you, my dear friend, this is a constitution what we have forwarded, submitted to the Charity Commission. I gave the copy. I will give the copy to 𝙿𝙴𝙽𝙰𝚃𝙸𝙾𝙽. Basically, forming this particular association, I have specifically made it there, my dear friend, about a logo also we think lot. Circle with the sunrising colors. Understand the things. With energy and happiness, with words of welfare association. Inside it, a blue globe covers with the words life insurance pensioner, a peace of mind. It 2 hands protect and cover the book and pain for justice of the pensioner and their family. This is the basic aim of our association. That is the logo is there, friends. Therefore, aim and object, my dear friends, I will just read 2-3 aims what exactly is there. That is very important to you people. Therefore, advocacy representation, representing the interest of pensioner and retirees of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe Buddhist to government bodies, life insurance, other relevant organizations. we are writing the letters. Now we are writing the letter to Government of India. Friends, these are the letters with me. Now we wrote letters to and very soon we are going to visit to Mr. 𝙿𝙴𝙬𝙀 also, my dear friend. Friends, the various aims are there to communicate with each other, to come together, and we have also planned. The expert doctor, who will guide to our people after 60 how his health should be there on the Zoom meetings. We are going to conduct the Zoom meeting also, my dear friends. On the Zoom meeting, the various programs will be conducted. The basic structure of this particular association is that every person must be communicated. We have written a letter to particularly to the chairman of LIC. I have wrote a letter on the 25th July 2024. I will not explain more because time schedule is the very less. About the time value, because Mr. Jadhav is also going to speak. But I would read to list of pensioners belonging to SCST from the central office, zonal office, divisional office bearers too. We restricted for that. They are going to stop the particular benefits of the person also, dues also. Therefore, we objected that we discussed with them. No proper felicitation after your retirement. Simply your branch level, branch manager giving the bouquet, etc. They are going to send you out. What we suggested right now, at least quarterly you can call the all retired employee or after 6 months, you felicitate at them in a divisional level or zonal level. That is one of the aspects. Next point, what we said about a pre-preventive checkup, health checkup. What we are, pre-preventive health checkup. Taken up the matter because it is in which companies, which PSUs, the particular preventive health checkup is given a free of charge. That we have mentioned. And secondly, friends, please take up this matter with the Finance Ministry of India authority. We wrote to the Government of India, that is to chairman. The chairman would have to take the matter. We also wrote the matter there. Then part arrears payment of the wage revision, my dear friends, it was always delaying. You are made aware of it after forming this pensioner association. You might have observed it. Previously, what was happening? The existing employees were getting the wage revision arrears immediately, and you were not getting it time. But in this time, you got the pensioner particular arrears within a time, my dear friend. Everybody got it, whosoever the eligible person there. Second thing, friend, Form 16 was not provided in time. But when we found, immediately you got to Form 16 also. We are trying to improve the things right now. Apart from this, friends, we wrote one letter about ex gratia payment. This is the letter what we have written to the ex gratia payment that is given to the above 70 and 80 people. Why? After retirement after 60 years, once a person who is retired, he must get the ex gratia some amount, and amount which is given a legible amount is there, friends. It is a legible amount. What is the corporation surplus is there and how much amount they are paying. We specifically informed to the management that you have to pay the ex gratia to the person after retirement of the 60 years. That is also one point what we have discussed. And management said that we are going to review the matter. This is also one of the things there. There should be pensioner sale in the corporation for register the grievance complaint of the pensioner. Now the pensioners are suffering lot of problems, my dear friends. There should be one pensioner sale. At least you can go and give your complaint or grievances as what SCST sale is there. Next point is the pensioners, wherever they will go all over the country. That is also point. Proper information must be shared by the office retirement regarding benefit and earning of the employee. Now you will find, friends, everybody relax, no worry because getting a pension. Because Jadhav was always saying that I was not taken a pension, my dear friend. I was not taken a pension because I was decided to leave the corporation before that because that time I was not taken as opted for the pension, my dear friends. Later on, Jadhav was saying that the pension is nothing but our third child is there. And I realized it, my dear friends. As soon as M.R. Kumar, our chairman, former chairman, even though he was not opted a pension, he was waiting for the option. And he was telling Jadhav and all these our people association, when the option will come, that I will also take the pension. Am I right, Jadhav? And just immediately option came. Jadhav said that option is a very important, it's a fact, there is a third child is their friend. Our 2 child, 3 childs may leave us, but a pension cannot be leaving you. They will make you survive very comfortably. Therefore, you are a very comfort. Very important thing that you are getting a pension. What Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said, some of the part, 20% part must be shared for the community, pay back to the society. Is it not our duty? I am holding the very nice post as a senior branch manager. Very comfortably. But the thing is that, very important thing is that, when we are talking about particularly about getting the pension, we are comfortable for the pension, you must active in the society. You must active in the society. When you will be active in the society, automatically you will survive not only for 80 years, maybe 90 years with a strong manner, because your willpower is a very strong, your abilities are very strong, you are a well experienced person, you can serve to the community, nothing but to the country, my dear friends. In our association, there is one aim is an objective different. We are planning, if we will get a good fund in the hand, we are going to open the schools also. We are planning for the colleges. Walks are saying that we have already planted a seed. When tree will be there, when the fruits will be there. This is nothing but a starting point in their manifesto. This is the first time. Why I personally, 𝙿𝙴𝙽𝙀𝙀 myself, why we came over here? The reason is only that we know that we trust on the South people. They are more related and more affiliated with the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. This is 15 July what we written letter to the Moti sir, and we have given the letter to the Moti sir on 25th July 2024 about a nomination of the zonal office bearer president and secretary. Our 𝙿𝙴𝙽𝙰𝚂𝙀𝙀 and Muddy's was there actually, names was appearing in that. This is the one of the letter chairperson Major ex gratia. I already told you friends. One more letter is there friends, to given the Moti issued pertaining to pension employees, that is dated 26 April 2024, everything I have mentioned. And recently friends, I think 11th October, yesterday, day before yesterday, I gave the letter that we have given, and they are going to give the appointment to discuss the matter. Point is there. Now people are thinking the pensioner people may not be called for the meeting by the management. Now our office bearers of the association are attending, but the problems are going to solve or not, that I do not know. I am not concerned with that now also, because there should not be any dispute. They are also my brothers and sisters, because I worked for that association. Therefore, I personally gave the letter to the management to conduct quarterly meetings, my dear friends. Now here, in this particular case, I would like to specifically mention about when we are going to pressurize over the management, how it is possible, because unless and until we will not be supported by the government of India. We are going to meet to the Parliament Committee Chairman as well as the National Commission Chairmen and members also, my dear friends. Very soon we will go to the New Delhi, and we will meet him. Accordingly, we just convert the message also. But very important thing, we are interested for the quarterly meeting. But we cannot say the quarterly meeting, now half-yearly meeting is going on. We are going to say that we are demanded with him that our half-yearly meeting or yearly meeting should be conducted officially to the corporation. But you are not serving to the corporation. You are retired employees. But our issue is there, when pensioner employees are there, then why are you using the word pensioner employee? You remove the word. That cannot be removed. Now the point is this, friend, this is our guarantee, and I can give the assurance to you. Friends, a day will come, this pensioner employees of Life Insurance SC Welfare Association, formal meeting will be conducted by the management officially, my dear. So the peoples may not come from the Kerala, maybe the monsoon problem is there. My two sisters are there. My office bearer, he is our young person, always there, and he is our motivation, my dear friends. He is our motivation. Now so many people talk over here right now. They deliver their speech. We could not understand. But we understand the body language. I told last time also. I am very happy. Don't look at the criticizer, friend. Forget about him. Because they are sitting on the particular post because of us only. I am the person. I can say, I am the person. Jadhav is a person. We are there. We struggle for the association to make the legal. We made it legal. They are enjoying the fruit, but we are not concerned with that. Because our interest is that let them also serve to the community. We are also serving to the community. Our interest was under that particular association, we would have formed this pension association. And formed with a 2 registration number. It is stronger. And we have opened the already account in the central bank. Jadhav, myself, and one of our treasurer is their friend. Whosoever making the allegations, we are not concerned. Whoso may come or may not come, we are not concerned with that. But every person has to follow our Indian Constitution. And as per the Constitution, it is our responsibility duty to grow this association. Make it so stronger, my dear friend. Tomorrow, the existing employees will be lesser, but your retired employees will be more. I would like to congratulate Mr. 𝙸𝙴𝙽𝙰𝚂𝙀 and all of the office bearers. You all are there. Thank you very much for calling us here, inviting us once again. I have no words to express my feelings, my dear finance minister say that a lady was not having the sector, that will come. Okay, I am also occupied, but I am enjoying. But I am enjoying more with you people because I came from here. Jadhav was there. Jadhav is also very much cooperative because without Jadhav, it is not possible, my dear. Pension Association. Anbu said, you send me the constitution. I forwarded a copy to him. I brought only a copy. Let us grow and make this tree of fruitful and everybody enjoy the fruit. We may be there or may not be there. That is not a question. We are there and we are going to survive for that. Okay? Thank you very much. Thanks a lot, my dear.